Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the best screen recording for Android phone. Very easy tutorial. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are brand new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Android tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. So in this video, I will show you the best screen recording on Android phone. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to click on my Play Store right here. Then make use of search app and type in X Recorder. So you have the app right here. So I'm going to simply click on it. So this is the app detail. As at the time of making this video, over 100 million plus have successfully downloaded and installed this app. So if you don't have it download and install on your Android phone, simply click on install and then you are good to go. After you successfully install the app, next thing you need to do is to head over to your phone screen so you can see feedback from different users right here. So I'm going to exit from my Play Store right here. Then I will head over to my phone screen. I have it already successfully installed on my phone. So this is the app right here, X Recorder. It's a free app for screen recording on Android. So it's going to open up this page. So once it's opened up like this, you can simply click on this. So you can simply click on this particular setting icon right here. Click on this setting icon. So when you click on this setting icon, this allows you to set your default resolution. Then simply click on video setting resolution right here. So click on that. Then you can make it 1080p. Then the quality, then the frame rate here, you can click on here and choose your frame rate. So I'm going to always be recording at 30 frame rate per second. Then I'll click on OK. That is done. Then I'll come back here again. I'll click on this setting here again. So at this point here, I will click on brush. So right here, you have brush 2 as display right here. So this arrow here allow you to point out the area you want to talk about. So this one allow you to go back. You can click on this particular icon right here just to change the color. Click on this check mark to accept. So if you want to use brush, simply select brush. You can use the brush to draw on the screen while you are recording. Okay, it's as simple as that. So you can see your brush is floating right here on the screen. Okay, next thing you can do here, let's click on here again. Now we can simply click on recording button. So I'm going to click on recording. So when you click on recording, make sure you click on allow, then start recording.